The personal data of hundreds of thousands of Quebec families could now be accessible to U.S. authorities. Radio-Canada has learned that the online registration platform for daycare in Quebec is now being managed by a U.S. company. This despite a pledge earlier this month from Premier François Legault that he wanted to strengthen Quebec's digital sovereignty. The provincial family ministry replaced its Place 05 platform with a new registration portal earlier this month. Place 05 was managed by a Quebec company, but the new portal is run by U.S. company Salesforce. The minister responsible says a U.S. company was the only option.
On parle d'une complexité quand même importante là, au niveau du portail, une complexité d'élaboration, mais aussi un niveau de sécurité élevé.
The reason this could be a privacy concern is because of a piece of legislation passed by the Trump administration in 2018 called the Cloud Act. That allows U.S. authorities to force U.S. tech companies to turn over all their data. The data in Quebec's daycare portal includes names, birth dates, addresses, and some income and immigration information. The minister brushed off the concerns.
L'entièreté des données est conservée au Canada.
But experts say that doesn't make any difference.
Je pense qu'on ne peut pas prétendre que ces données-là sont protégées. C'est-à-dire que l'entreprise pourrait être l'objet d'une demande des autorités américaines.
He says the best solution would be for the ministry to store the data in its own servers that aren't subject to U.S. law. And some say the government doesn't need to turn to U.S. tech giants for big projects.
We have some companies that can build that type of a product and have it hosted here in Quebec. Absolutely.
He says those smaller players are often passed over by the province because they can't compete with the U.S. big tech companies on price.